Hi, I'm Miss Ann from Amazement Square, and I'm here to tell you about our Think and Tink kits that we have through our Amazement Square Anywhere program. They're available for purchase at the museum, and I'd like to tell you today about our Circuits and Electricity Exploration Kit. It's one of our 4 Think and Tink kits for people who like to think and like to tinker. Each one is based on STEM activities, and they each come with their own instruction booklet made right here at Amazement Square. We have inside the booklet all of the things that you would do with this kit, each activity's step-by-step instructions with the materials that you'll use for each individual project. Even pictures are included to help you along the way as you do the step-by-step. And as in each one, there's also a Scorpy comic at the end. And Scorpy, you know, is our mascot here at Amazement Square. So let's take a look inside and see what we would get with this kit. In this kit, we have several different circuit possibilities. And as you can see, everything's outlined with the pictures that you can tell exactly what you're going to put. There are several different ways of making these circuits. And with these circuits, you would also need this copper tape. It's copper metal on one side and it's sticky on the other, so when you peel the strip off the back and stick it onto the outline on the circuit paper, you should be able to make a complete circuit and let your electricity flow around the copper from the battery to the light bulb and see if you can make it light up. Here are the batteries. What else? Oh my goodness. We have LED light bulbs in 4 different colors. There's also some clear tape in here that you'll need to put the battery onto your paper. And for another project, looks like it uses Play-Doh. Have you ever used Play-Doh to make electricity? This experiment also uses a battery with a battery holder and a couple of nails. I wonder if you have to stick those nails into the Play-Doh to make the circuit complete. There's our other battery. And we also have some balloons and some string in here. So I'm thinking maybe it has something to do with some static electricity. I'm not sure. You're going to have to buy the kit and read the instruction booklet to find out the rest of what happens in this book. If you're interested in buying one of the Think and Tink kits, you can find all 4 of them on the Amazement Square webpage by clicking the link below. And you'll also see there are 3 different ways to get this into your own hands. One, you can come pick it up at the museum yourself. Or for a small fee, we can either mail it to you through the mail, or one of us can come and hand deliver it to you right to your house, as long as you're within a 10-mile radius of the museum. So if you like thinking and you like to tinker, a Think and Tink kit would be just right for you. Give us a call or click on our webpage and see what you want to do about ordering one.